Hello, I'm Derek Vogel. I'm the founder and CEO of Credit Absolute. I want to welcome you to my website and enjoy the interactive video. You can ask me anything directly. I have three main products: personal credit, business credit and funding, and then also debt management solutions. If you schedule a complimentary 30-minute analysis with me, I can go through any specific questions that you have, or if you just want to go through the website and choose any of the questions and talk to me directly through the video, I'm happy to do so with that as well. A few things that I want you to know is that you don't actually have to hire me to use any of my products. I have quite a few complementary products if you're just looking for funding for personal consolidation. Or if your business needs money to grow and expand, you can also apply for our funding. They all have a pre-qualification to make sure you don't get any hard inquiries. But the best way is to schedule a complimentary analysis with me. I'll help answer your questions. I can look at your report and identify what's going to be the best approach and the best product for you. I really thank you for interacting with me today, and I look forward to speaking with you directly. Thank you, and take your time, enjoy the interactive video, and then also if you need anything at all, please just contact us directly. Thank you, and I look forward to speaking with you.